FORA.tv. The world is thinking.
This is happening really on a human timescale, and we have colleagues that are gone back to the same place for 30 years, and they always could find tons of them before, and now they're all gone. So this is a huge problem. This picture here is from the Sierras. These are montane yellow-legged frogs in California. So this is even a problem here in California, not just out elsewhere in the world. So what's going on here? We see amphibian declines, amphibians extinctions worldwide. So just to give you an idea of the severity of this. So this is how many species there were as of this morning. About a third of all species of amphibians are either extinct already or severely threatened by a variety of factors: habitat loss, climatic change, disease. But interestingly, there's another 20% that we literally know so little about those species, we can't even make a call that it would be threatened or wouldn't be threatened. So this isn't really good. When you put 30 and 20 together, that's 50%. It means that only 50% of amphibians we're confident seem like they're doing okay. That's not that much of the diversity when you think about it. So, and just to point out, scientists are usually really reserved and always hopeful that maybe one day they'll discover a species. So there's probably a good number of these critically endangered species that haven't been seen in 10, 15 years and eventually will become listed as extinct. So 35 is probably an underestimate in some cases. So there are obvious factors leading to amphibian declines and losses. One of them is exploitation of frogs. So this is particularly a problem in some parts of Asia, although usually it's only a few species that are affected. So this makes sense. We're going out in nature, we're removing wildlife, we're hunting them to extinction in a few cases maybe. Another big one is habitat loss. Either habitat loss because of climatic change or habitat loss because you simply cut down the forest that it occurs in. Many amphibian species only occur in one very small spot. So when you lose that small patch of forest, you lose everything that we know about the species. The other one, that's the one that's really problematic and the one that really sort of burns amphibian biologists, are enigmatic declines. So all over the world in what seem to be pristine habitats, species are just disappearing. And there's not really an answer, or wasn't an answer for a long time about why that might be the case. This first started getting observed in the mid-late 1980s. And when scientists got together and started comparing notes from across the world, they realized, wait, this isn't just a problem in Monte Verde cloud forest in Costa Rica. This is a problem everywhere.